AI and generative AI is the push for 2024, and Samsung has embraced it with the latest and the greatest Samsung Galaxy S24 series. We have a bunch of great AI features present on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the S24 Plus, and the base model of the Samsung Galaxy S24. And in this video, we're going to show you how all of those awesome great AI features work on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. The video is divided into chapters. Links can be found in the description of the video. Before we give you a rundown of all the awesome great Galaxy AI features, a few important things. One, if you go into settings, advanced features, advanced intelligence, you will notice that some features like say live translate you have to enable explicitly. Another feature which you have to enable explicitly is note assist, and the same thing applies for your generative edit in photo editor. Then some features you do not have to enable explicitly, but features within those you have to enable. So if I go into my voice recorder, right, and herein I do not have a master toggle to enable or disable transcript assist, but summaries I have to enable explicitly. So if you're watching this video, you see a feature not available for you, go into this setting and then make sure that that specific feature, the toggle, is enabled. Next up, some of these features like say live translate or translation in general requires language packs. Where do you find the language packs and how do you download them? You'll go into settings. From the settings main page, go into general management, language packs, and bam, here it is. These are the ones which are installed right now. So English, Hindi, and Spanish are the ones which I have installed. Available to download are Chinese, English India, English United Kingdom, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Polish, Portuguese, Spanish Mexico, Spanish Spain, Thai, and Vietnamese. To download them, just tap on the down arrow and bam, here it is. The language pack is being downloaded on my Samsung Galaxy S24 right now. And to update it, tap on this refresh icon and it is going to update those language packs which we have just selected. First up, let us go into settings, and once we are in settings, we will go into display, scroll down, look for navigation bar. Herein make sure that circle to search is enabled. Now if you're using the 3 button style, all you have to do is press and hold on the home button. That is going to invoke circle to search. If you are using the gesture style, then you need to press and hold on the gesture bar and that is going to open circle to search. So what is this circle to search? Well, this is a new AI feature which in the background is powered by Google, but Samsung is calling it Galaxy AI. Anywhere on your phone, all you have to do is invoke circle to search and then you can actually encircle or draw a line. So let us say we encircle this picture of Spider-Man, bam, here it is. These are the results from our Google search. Similarly, let us say you are in your Chrome browser. Here and let us say we want to know about Katniss from Hunger Games. So we're going to invoke circle to search and then we'll draw a line across Katniss Everdeen. Bam, here it is. These are all the results you need to know about Katniss Everdeen. Then let us say you're watching a video from an influencer and you want to know what sneakers they are wearing. So again, we are going to invoke circle to search and then we are going to circle around the sneaker over here. Bam, here it is. This is the Nike Jordan 1 Mid SE Craft. So you have the details about that specific sneaker or the product. Next up, let us say you want some information about a food item which you saw on the internet. So again, we're going to do the same thing, invoke circle to search, encircle our food item. Bam, here it is. This is chana masala and you can always add to your search. Once you select that, you can add your own words or whatever information you want about that object which the AI in the background recognized. But let us say we want a recipe, we're going to select recipe and bam, here it is. These are all the different recipes which are available for chana masala. Our next AI feature for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is creating generative AI wallpapers. To create a generative AI wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S24 series, all you need to do is press and hold on the empty space on your home screen, go into wallpapers and style, go into change, wallpapers, go into the creative section, you see something called generative. Select this. Below here are 9 different categories which you can choose. So let us say we are going to go into painting. Once you select painting, you will see a sentence, but all the words which have highlighted background, those are the ones which you can change. So let us say we want a painting of a desert, and we are going to say we want something else in it with some, let us say, robots in there, and the style which we are looking for is, let us say we're looking for abstract style. We're going to say generate. You do need to have an active internet connection. Galaxy AI is working in the background, and pretty soon you should have a bunch of different options. So here it is. We have 4 different options for our awesome generative AI wallpaper which we just created. Let us say we want to use this one. We're going to select set, lock screen and home screen both are checked. We're going to select next and then tap done on the top right. There it is. Changes have been applied to the home screen and to the lock screen. Congratulations, you have just created your personal generative AI wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Now, a hidden generative AI feature which is not enabled out of the box on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series can be found in Settings, Advanced, Labs, and herein you have something called Photo Ambient Wallpaper. So this uses advanced intelligence to change your own photo based on the time and the weather. So we're going to go ahead and enable this option, and then where do you find this feature? So again, press and hold on the empty space on your home screen, go into wallpaper and style, change wallpaper. Under the creative section, bam, other than generative, we have a new feature which says photo ambient. And all you need to do now is say try now, and of course you do need to set up your weather application. Now, once you've set up your weather application, it is going to open your gallery. So let us say I want to use a specific picture. I want to use this picture of Spider-Man over here, and then photo and ambient was applied successfully. And now if I press the play button, let us say it is snowing outside or it is raining, there it is. You can see that effect on this wallpaper, and you also have the snow effect as well, working like a boss. So based on the weather in your location, rain, snow, you are going to have that effect on your lock screen, and we're going to select done on the top right, and bam, there it is. That is how you use this hidden feature of creating a photo ambient generative AI wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Our next AI feature for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is called Browser Assist. This one works only on the Samsung browser. So let us go ahead and open the internet application. Let us say you are going through an article, reading a web page, something on Wikipedia. All you need to do is tap on this star icon on the bottom, which signifies Galaxy AI, and bam, here it is. Summarize and translate web pages using browsing assist. We are going to select OK. Now we have two options, summarize or translate. Let us select summarize, and there it is, Galaxy AI working in the background, and it gave us a summary about the Hunger Games. In case you do not like this, you want some more details, tap on these 3 parallel lines on the top right, and then summary style can be changed between standard and detailed. Once we select detailed, do done, Galaxy AI is working in the background one more time, and this time around we get a longer detailed summary. Of course, you can go ahead and copy this summary in case you want to, and if you want to translate, you tap on translate, and then you want translation from English, which is our source language, to what other language do you want it in. Let us say we want it in Spanish. We selected Spanish, Galaxy AI worked in the background, and bam, here it is. This is our translation of that summary translated from English to Spanish using Galaxy AI, and then once you're happy with the results, you can swipe down and dismiss it. Of course, you can always go ahead and translate the whole web page from one language to another as well. So once I selected translate, on the top left I have the option of English. I select Spanish, and pretty soon this web page should be translated into Spanish. Bam, here it is. The whole web page has now been translated into Spanish using Galaxy AI and the browser assist feature present on your Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Our next AI feature for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is called Interpreter. So let us say you are trying to communicate with somebody in person who doesn't speak your language. That is where Interpreter comes into picture. How do you access Interpreter on your Samsung Galaxy S24 series? All you have to do is expand your quick settings panel by swiping down twice. Then on this bottom quick settings page, swipe across to go to the next page. You will see something called Interpreter. Select this, and now of course it is telling us to increase the volume because whatever we say will be translated into the other language and then spoken out loud. It uses these permissions, so we're going to select continue, and it wants to record audio. We're going to say while using the app, and we're going to say allow over here, and we're going to select OK. Now, once we are on this page, on the top, you can select your target language. Let us say Hindi. And when I tap on the microphone beside Hindi, I have to talk in Hindi. It will be translated into English. So let us give that a try. कैसे हो भैया?
How are you, brother?
And now let us say the other person is responding in English and it needs to be translated into Hindi. So we're going to tap on this English one and see what happens. I am
और
good.
अब हम कहें कि दूसरा व्यक्ति जवाब दे रहा है और अंग्रेजी और इसका अनुवाद करने की जरूरत है। तो हम इस अंग्रेजी पर टैप करने जा रहे हैं और देखेंगे कि क्या होता है।
I am good. How are you?
मैं अच्छा हूँ। आप कैसे हैं?
And there it is, peeps. That is how you use Interpreter AI feature on your Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Our next AI feature for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is present in the voice recorder application. You can have text transcriptions of your conversation, you can translate your conversations, and you can also have a summary of the conversation or your voice recording, all thanks to Galaxy AI. So let us go ahead and open the voice recorder application on our Samsung Galaxy S24, and then let us start a new recording. Also, let me try to change my voice a little and show you a cool feature. Hey, how are you? I am good, how are you? I am also good. How's life? Life's been going on, nothing much. Yeah, kinda same here. How's the weather out there? It's a bright sunny day today. How about you? Well, it's cloudy, raining, cold over here. Well, that's not good news, but it is what it is. All right, so we have our voice recording, right? Let us go into this specific recording and you will see the option of transcribe. Once I do that, you can select your language. So we had our voice recording in English. We're going to make sure English is selected, select transcribe, and there it is, Galaxy AI working in the background, and bam, here it is. But the cool feature is it recognized two different speakers having a conversation. So two different people were having a conversation, as you can see by the labels over here, speaker 1 and speaker 2. Now you can also get a summary of this voice message which we have, again Galaxy AI working, and it is telling us that the two speakers were having a casual conversation about whether they exchanged greetings about each other's well-being, discussed the weather conditions, acknowledging the unpleasant weather, and expressed understanding. Then if you want to translate this, you have this option of translate right besides the search icon. Select on that and you can choose to translate either your transcript or your summary from English to whatever language pack you have downloaded. Let us say we want it translated to Hindi. Select that, Hindi, bam, here it is. This is our translation in Hindi right below the English transcript. Similarly, if you go into summary, it will also be translated from English to Hindi. So there it is, peeps. That is the voice recorder, translate, transcribe, summaries AI feature of Galaxy AI on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Our next AI feature for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is in the Samsung keyboard application, wherein you can change the tone of your writing, get spelling and grammar suggestions, and you can also translate messages in select chat and text messaging applications. Let us see this Galaxy AI feature in the Samsung keyboard in action. So let us say I am messaging with somebody. Let me tap on text message. You see these star icons for Galaxy AI. That means that AI is available in the Samsung keyboard. So let us say I'm having a conversation with somebody who only knows how to read Hindi and I want to translate that. So I will tap on this EN over here and then I will say I am typing in English and you translate it to Hindi. Now let me go ahead and type in a message. And there it is. You can see I am typing in English, but the message here is in Hindi. Let us go ahead and send that, and bam, here it is. This is what I have received. You can see that I got the message in Hindi. Next up, let us say you want to change the writing style of your message. All you have to do is again tap on these stars which signify Galaxy AI and go into writing style. Here it is. Rewrites are on the way. This is our original style, and if you want to say it in a professional way, there it is. That is your professional style. You also have a casual, a social, a polite, and a emojify option. And if you tap on this show all, you can filter your style. Let us say we want the social style. Here it is. This is it. And all you have to do now is select this or say insert it, and it is going to change the message which we just typed, thereby changing the writing style. And then tap on SMS. Bam, here it is. That message was successfully sent, and here on your screen is the message which I just received. And of course, with Galaxy AI, you also have the option of fixing any spelling or grammatical mistakes which you might have in your conversations or your text messages which you're having with someone else. Our next AI feature for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is present in the Samsung Notes application, wherein Galaxy AI can automatically format, summarize, correct, translate, and generate covers for your notes. So let us go ahead and open the Notes application, and here is a note which I have on my Samsung Galaxy S24. On the bottom toolbar, you will again see your similar Galaxy AI stars. We are going to select that, and now we are getting a bunch of different options. We're getting auto format, summarize, correct spelling, and translate. Let us first select summarize. So here it is, Galaxy AI working in the background, and it gave me a summary about Sachin Tendulkar from the selected text. Similarly, let us tap on the Galaxy AI stars one more time, and this time we're going to select auto format. So if you have, say, minutes of the meeting, you can select meeting notes, or if it is a wall of text, you can always select headers and bullets. There it is, tidying up the text, and bam, here it is. This is our auto formatted result. And of course, you can swipe through the different options. If you tap on the I on the top right, it is telling us that this content was generated using advanced intelligence, and if you want the terms and conditions, you can view those. Similarly, if we tap on the Galaxy AI star one more time and select translate, you can now choose to translate this wall of text from English to whatever language pack you have downloaded. In our case, we have Hindi and we have Spanish. Let us try translating it into Spanish, and bam, there it is. The selected part of that note was translated from English to Spanish. Our next AI feature for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is in the photo editor, wherein you can reimagine images by moving, removing, or resizing the people and objects in them, and then generating new background to fill in any missing pieces. So to access this photo editor, Galaxy AI, go to your gallery and let us say we open this picture. Then tap on the pencil button on the bottom and then you will see your similar Galaxy AI 3 stars. Select this one. Now it is telling us tap or draw around anything you want to move or delete. So let me tap on the rose and bam, there it is. You can see it figured out the outline of the rose. Then let us say I want to move the rose over here, and then I also say go ahead and resize this, make it a wee bit bigger. The other thing I want to do is I want to tilt the image a little as well, and once I am done I'm going to select generate and bam, there it is. That is our result. If you tap on view original, you can see the original picture, and this here is the picture after we tilted it a little. Once you're happy with the results, select done, and there it is, peeps. That was the photo editor in your Galaxy S24 series working its AI magic. Our next AI feature for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is called Instant Slow Motion, and it does what it sounds like. All you need to do is play a video, and once you're playing it, then if you go ahead and press and hold, it is going to slow it down. So, bam, there it is. You can see the video has now slowed down, and it is AI which is adding the missing frames and turning this video into a slow motion video. The other thing you can always do is tap on the pencil icon and that will take you to the editor, and as you can see I have the option of adjusting the speed. Let us say I want to slow it down to 1 by 4x, and then you have these markers. Those you can configure to set the start and the end time, and then once you're happy with the result you're going to say save on the top right, and it is asking us, do you want to save over the original or do you want to save as copy? So let us tap on the three dot menu on the top right and instead save as a copy. There it is, the video is being saved, and instant slow motion effect powered by Galaxy AI will be applied to this video. Our next AI feature for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is called Voice Focus. So you're talking to somebody, there's a lot of background noise around you. All you need to do is swipe down twice from your quick settings panel. You will see something called mic mode. Select that. You will see two options. Standard by default. Voice Focus is the second one, which is going to act as background noise cancelling once you select it. And before you tell me, hey Manchi, this sounds very similar to clear calling on the Pixels, that my dear friend is absolutely right. Our next AI feature for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is called Live Translate, and this is one which you have to enable explicitly. So you will go into settings, from the settings main page go into advanced features, advanced intelligence, phone, you will see Live Translate. Go ahead and enable this, and this is going to get you real-time translation during calls. All you have to do is tap on the call assist button and then select Live Translate. And on this very page, you can choose your language, the voice if you want to mute your voice, and the other person's language along with their voice. So let us go ahead and do a demo of this live translate. Tim uncle, kaise ho?
Hello. This call is being translated and live captioned. How are you paying?
I am good. How are you?
मैं अच्छा हूँ. आप कैसे हैं?
And there you saw it, peeps. That was me talking in Hindi from the Galaxy S24 and Tim Apple getting the same translated into English. And when Tim Apple answered me in English, that was translated for me into Hindi. All of this magic of AI on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. And there it is, peeps. Those are all the awesome, great generative AI and AI features present on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Which one was your favorite? Do let us know via comments on this video.